Hello, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how I cook roast potatoes with chicken, spinach and other ingredients. I hope you could enjoy it, but at the same time I want you to use this as an inspiration to come up with your own recipes, your own creative ideas in the kitchen. Alright, follow me as we go along. Okay, this is the potatoes in the oven dish. Alright, I've got the chicken. This is boiled chicken, seasoned and marinated overnight. I've cut it from the bones and I've diced them into small pieces, as you can see. Alright, I've got the spinach here. Got frozen spinach, and I've also got frozen tomatoes. So the first thing I'm going to do is to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. I've done that. Now, you want to give the chicken some good flavor, the potatoes I mean. So what I have is some vegetable soup powder. You sprinkle it over it just to give it some good flavoring. Okay, if you don't have this, you can put some Maggi or salt into it. All right, that would do. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is to give this a very good stir, and then use your washed hands to sprinkle this over the potato. Right, don't forget this is chicken that was cooked and left to marinate overnight. So that goes like that. Okay, you cook the chicken, make it very soft and mild and tender so that it stays soft whether you bake it or you fry it. And then you go to the spinach. Okay, you can buy spinach in the local market. You can buy fresh one if you want. You can buy frozen one. Okay, so you sprinkle this over the potatoes and the chicken. Try to use a very well recommended ovenware so that when it's hot it doesn't break. All right, so what I'm doing really is giving it a very good covering of spinach. Okay, and when I finish this, what I'm also going to do is to put some onions. This is my frozen onions, but before you put the frozen onions, take some into your blender, blend it with some chili peppers. Okay, and then you pour it over it like this. Okay, all right, again just to give some flavor. You got some stuff hiding behind what that comes out, and then you give it a good layer of red or white onions depending on your choice, your preference. Okay, all right, so that all goes in. Everything goes like that, and then you want to give it some good flavoring. You can add some traditional jumbo chicken stock. All that does is gives it extra taste. So give it a good layer. Okay, don't forget the oven is already heated, so when I finish this, I'll just give it one last ingredient. Now this is not mandatory, this is optional. It is chopped tomatoes. You put it all over it. Yeah, that looks so nice. Then you use your spoon to give it a very good distribution. Right, and that's it. And then for maximum heat preservation, you cover this with foil. So I'm covering it with foil. All right, And this should now go into the oven and spend the next 25 minutes. Don't forget your oven is already preheated. So I'll set my timer to 25. And that's it. So this goes straight into the oven. Put it on the top shelf. Yep. And that should be ready in the next half hour. Thank you. When it's done, I'll send you a picture. Thank you very much.